I'm so excited for this. I'm going to show you guys. I came across Pop On Veneers online, an ad for them, and I decided to send off for them. So I contacted their customer service, and they sent me right away a box with my impression kits. I did those at home. The best part about this is there's no dentist visit. And when they got my impressions back, this is what I got back. These are my veneers, you guys. So look, I'm going to show you the difference. These are customized to my mouth, and they pop right in just like the name says. Listen. Customer service was the best. Look. Look. No gaps. I love it. Look at the smile.